I just wanted to send a really quick video before our call on Friday to show what the Louisville HAP audit looked like when we were able to transform it from the paper version to a digital interactive checklist in Team Assurance. It turned out actually better than I thought, and I just wanted to share with you some of the quick things that we learned. So right away, one of the learnings we had from transforming the paper version into the digital version was the ability to easily adjust the checklist, right? So this was literally on the fly and it becomes available to everybody immediately. So what we noticed on the paper version was that we had the option to select NA, not applicable, and that wasn't on our original checklist, but I was able to change that easily. We were able to add more picture fields. As I noticed the paper version, the person who had filled it out went through the effort of putting a lot of pictures in there, so we wanted to give that capability in the digital version as well. That was really easy to add. And then the importance of the ability to link to an improvement. At the end of the paper version of the audit, there's a question that simply says, do you see any improvement opportunities? What the digital version allows you to do is go to another form, link directly to a form that walks you through that idea improvement process and gives you the option to share your idea, to share what the benefits might be. It gives you the option to complete more information around that, or you can simply fill in the blank spots with some of what your thoughts are. The other thing we quickly noticed in creating a digital version was it was easy to standardize the questions. You could make them specific, you could require fields, you could request photos and require those photos. And finally, as we all know, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So as we put this together, we realized how powerful of an impact that was. It was really reassuring to see the benefits that can be realized by converting from paper to a digital forms. We were able to confirm that it was easy to view on a smartphone, a notepad. You could quickly see the results and approve or request more information. So imagine that someone had just completed an audit and it came through on your smartphone. You could pull it up, you could flip through it, you could see it, and then you could either approve it or send a signal back to the original auditor asking for more information. It would obviously notify them and it would give them a chance to improve the process. Also, there were links to the findings. So the output of the audit, which may be an action that needs to be taken, can be tracked through this process. 1-point lessons can be created. Team Assurance actually has a template that's obviously configurable for creating 1-point lessons. Those 1-point lessons can be linked right to the audit if they're newly created or ones that were part of the audit. And then obviously the improvement ideas, as we've talked about. You're able to track these in a daily management process that lists them, views them by category, safety, quality, delivery, cost, or by person. So it's a really powerful way to deal with the output from these audits in a digital format. And then finally, notepads are intuitive and easy to use. There's really not much explanation needed, even though you can embed how-to videos. It's pretty simple to see how to fill out one of these forms. I just wanted to take a second and give a full view of what the audit actually looked like when it was converted to a digital form. You can see the paper version on the left-hand side of the picture, and then in the center is the audit actually as it appears on an iPad. Obviously, you can embed how-to videos. We've talked about that. And I just wanted to scroll down through. You can kind of see how the paper questions, even in their format, were converted onto the digital version. You can see how the pictures transferred over. What I really like about the pictures is the size. They come up clear and clean, taking up the full screen, which I think is a pretty powerful aspect of being able to review what the auditor saw. You can also see with each one of the questions there's that format of asking the question and then asking was there compliance. If there wasn't compliance, you're directed to what action did you take, and then you are asked to select whether that was an action, a 1-point lesson, or an improvement idea that then creates another document if you'd like to actually complete that and can be tracked in the future. So that closed loop link. You can also see the procedures were embedded right there in the document, and here we are at the end where you specifically ask for an improvement like we've talked about, which can then be created on another document linked to this, or the idea can just be embedded right into this document. So that was just a quick overview of how the paper version actually looked in a digital format. Just a couple more slides of some things I wanted to share with you. So this is an example of how the improvement idea is actually linked to this original audit form. So that question that you ask at the end, do you have any ideas for improvement? Well, when the person selects that, they then are directed to another form, which is an improvement form that leads them through the idea of what are the benefits, what is your idea. You can add photos, you can add video, you can add documentation. There's a whole section where you can simply comment to elaborate more on what your thoughts are. It categorizes the improvement ideas as quality, safety, delivery, cost, and so on. I just thought that was a really powerful example of how the output of an audit now becomes a tangible product that can be managed. I do think that's the deliverable for having it digitalized. Okay, the last thing I want to show you, and I can't possibly spend enough time on this, is what is the result of the actions, 1-point lessons, improvement ideas that come out of the audit, and how can you keep track of them? Here you can see there's a dashboard, a main screen, where you can begin to sort those, not only by type, right, quality, safety, delivery, or cost, but whether they're improvement ideas, 1-point lessons, or actions. You could take it down to the specific person, which of those have been assigned to Patrick Patorti, how many of those are new, how many of those are past due, how many of those do we have to do in total, right? It's this complete ability to dice and slice all of those actions, improvement ideas, and 1-point lessons into a manageable fashion for a daily meeting, right? Where you can say, are we ahead or behind? Are we making the improvements that came out of the audits that we're taking as we intended? So I just think that's a powerful ability of having it digitized as well. And remember, you can do this on a smartphone, notepad, but they even have this ability to do it on a 55-inch display, touchscreen display, and I know they've used that in other organizations. I'm not suggesting you do that right off the bat, but man, now you get into something really. Thanks for taking a few minutes to tolerate that with me. I just wanted to give you an initial idea before our call. Look, I'd be remiss if I didn't suggest that the real opportunity, once we get started with this product doing auditing, is the vast capabilities that it's going to have for the entire organization, not just shop floor audits, but daily management, problem solving, A3 thinking. It's got that face recognition clock in that if you wanted to, you could use as well. The incredible ability to have plant communication and just so much more. So it's a bigger opportunity with some great capabilities in the specific application that we're thinking or talking about now. All right, thank you for your time. I'm really looking forward to talking with everyone in a couple days and getting into more of this exciting details. All right, hey, thanks again.